How can you put text over images in Google Docs? Google Docs is another very professional software, productivity software, just like Microsoft 365. Now you can go to your open Google Docs and select a document. It's simple step. You can see on the screen. Now you have to click on an insert tab. Click on the insert tab in the top bar located in the top bar. You can see in the toolbar. Now you can click on select drawing option. After click on selecting drawing option and new option, now you can click on the image icon. Now you can drag and drop your image. Click on the choose an image upload button. Simply just choose your image. Now click on the text icon located on the toolbar. Open a text box that can enter text. Now enter your text and now click on save and close. Now text placed over image. You can simply see that text is now placed over image. So this was how you can just simply place your text over images in simple steps without so much as like Google Docs again is a very powerful software of tools where you can create different types of data, documentation, and a lot of stuff.